Hello, hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back at Mahle at the IAA Mobility 2021. Over the next 60 minutes, we are going to experience a very innovative form of motorsports. I'm talking about sim racing. That's short for simulated racing, and it's a collective term for racing game software that tries to exactly simulate car racing virtually. The simulation software and the racing hardware simulate all possible feedback that the car provides. So, for example, tire wear or fuel usage, aerodynamics, and for sure, the grip. So Mahle has been active and very successful in sim racing for the last 2 years now. And I want to show you a few insights, very action-packed and passionate racing. So, before we start our Mahle Racing Challenge, I want to give a short explanation on how the competition will work now. We are going to have 3 races. Each race brings points to the winner, but not all races bring the same amount of points. The winner of the first race will get 1 point, the winner of the second race 2 points, and the winner of the third race 3 points. So it's possible to have a draw after 3 races. In that case, we are going to have a decision race, and I will tell you later where it's going to take place. So we are going to have changing tracks during all of the races, but the car always remains the same. Each race lasts 10 minutes, and before race 1 there is a 2-minute qualifying to determine the starting grid. From second race on, the starting grid is determined by the previous race, so the loser is allowed to start from the pole position, and the winner starts from P2. So now it's time to introduce today's challengers. Let's start with the lady. She's a professional female race driver competing in the W Series and in a prototype in the FIA WEC Series, including the famous Le Mans 24 Hours. Please join me in welcoming Beitske Fischer. Beitske, nice to have you here. How are you doing?
All good. Happy to be here.
Yes. And I guess you're used to drive in a simulator, right?
Yeah, I got one at home, so I've been practicing or started with sim racing like a year ago.
Experience, but let's just welcome Alex Voss. So Alex, just tell me, what are you doing in sim racing?
Well, basically it's imitating real-life racing, which is still something not everyone is able to do and to afford. But we also have a really high competition, and it's pretty similar to real-life racing. You can learn the tracks, you can gain some experience, and you can improve your skills.
So Alex, Beitske, nice to have you here. Please just go to your simulators. And now we start the Mahle Racing Challenge. First race in Mugello. Enjoy! Here you can see the lights.
The apex a little bit.
So far so good. She's keeping the pressure high behind me. Not sure if I can hold her back. It's really difficult. There she comes. Yeah, I think I can follow the corners now. I learned from Beitske, so it's good.
I think he went off.
That's it. Pushed too much out of the corner and went into the grass.
And the winner of the first race here in Mugello is Beitske Fischer. And the first point goes to the lady. Beitske, how satisfied are you with the result of the first race?
I'm happy with that. I think we had a good battle. We both made a few mistakes, but yeah, it was fun.
Alex, what happened in the last lap or 2 minutes before the end?
Yeah, it was really difficult to follow her. Therefore, I had to push a bit more than usual, and I wasn't really comfortable with the track anyway. So yeah, then the mistake happened.
Besides our simulators here at the Mahle booth, we are going to have more exhibition content, which is very interesting, like the magnet-free e-motor in the front.
This motor actually features copper coils instead of rare earth magnets. And second, it features a wireless transmitter of power to the rotor coils.
So the next race is going to take place at the Red Bull Ring. How do you like the track?
A lot more than Mugello actually can follow the corners, so let's see.
Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines. Start the race right now.
Really unlucky. Now I try to find my way back.
Do you think you can make it?
It will be difficult. I think I need to hope for a mistake of Beitske, but it's unlikely because she's professional. But let's see.
Oh, that was close.
It's unbelievable.
And the winner of the second race is Beitske Fischer. So we have a score of 3 points for Beitske and 0 points for Alex right now. Beitske, that was so close, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was very close in the last lap. Yeah, it's going to be tight for the next one.
So give us a short conclusion of your race.
Good start. Lucky Alex made a mistake there. And then, yeah, in the last lap I had to defend quite a bit.
The last race is going to take place in Barcelona, and then I need to talk to Beitske. Barcelona is one of your favorite tracks, right?
Yeah, it actually is, yeah.
Why? Explain a little bit.
Well, I like the combination of high-speed corners and the technical part in the end of the track. Yeah, I used to live there for a bit, so yeah, I like it.
And they are going to start now. Beitske, pressure is on.
I'm trying, but he's a bit quick.
And we have a winner of our third race, so we have a new score. 3 points for Alex now and 3 points for Beitske as well. So now it's time for a decision race. We move back to Italy. We're going to race in Monza. competition race here in Monza. And the winner of this race, and therefore the winner of the Mahle Racing Challenge, is Beitske Fischer. Congratulations! Please get out of your simulators. Beitske, how satisfied are you with that result?
I was sweating a bit there in the last lap.
So how much adrenaline did come to your mind?
I just kept pushing and tried to stay ahead.
Yeah, she made it really hard for me. It was really tough to close the gap because I did a single slight mistake at the beginning, but then I found my way back into her slipstream. But yeah, it was really an intense finish of the race.
Congratulations, Beitske. That was just awesome. And thank you very much for that action-packed races. Thank you, Alex. It was a pleasure to experience that Mahle Racing Challenge with you guys. It was a lot of fun. See you. Stay tuned.